it's Tina Varelli here, and I got some great questions about the KitchenAid Pro 600 stand mixer after our QVC Today special value. So I just wanted to go over with you to make sure everybody has an overview of their brand new unit. So this is my Empire Red, or KitchenAid Red, Pro 600. It is beautiful. Mine is a little bit older than the ones you will have just received, but I can show you all the basics with it. So one of the questions was how to put the bowl on, and you'll notice that this is a bowl lift model here. So it has these sturdy arms with pins on them, and that is to hold the bowl. Because this is 575 watts of power, it needs the bowl to be really stable. So the bowl, stainless steel bowl here with the comfort grip handle, has these tabs with a hole. So what I do is I tilt the bowl toward the back, and then you're going to fit that tab on the pin on either side of the bowl. But you don't stop there, because in the back here, and let me show you that, in the back is a little button that is going to fit into this tab in the back. So you need to put it on the pins, but then also push down to click it in. It's going to be a little stiff at first, but then it'll loosen up with use. So now that your bowl is on, we can go over all your beaters. Now your beaters are going to be coated white. Mine, because it's an older model, I have uncoated beaters. So this is your flat beater. This is great for making meatloaf, meatballs, pie crust, scones, and biscuits. I also used it to massage kale on the show that we did. And all the beaters have this keyhole shaped design here. Do you see that little notch? That is designed to fit over the tab here on the beater shaft. So you just line that up, put it over the shaft, give it a twist, and now it's locked on. And this is a bowl lift model, so when you're ready to mix, you lift it up with a lever on the side. So that's your flat beater, and you would do the same thing. This is my Power Knead Spiral Dough Hook, so great for all those tough bread doughs. Attaches the same way. This is my Flex Edge beater. That's the one that I use for anything that I want to be creamy, like when I'm making cookies and I'm creaming the butter and the sugar. It's great for dips and spreads and cake mixes. That attaches the same way. And remember, anything with this white coating means that it's dishwasher safe. Then we have the wire whip. This is great for when you want to incorporate air into any items like whipped cream and egg whites to make meringue. Now I get a lot of questions about why this can't go in the dishwasher. So the wires here are all stainless steel, but this piece that connects them is a burnished metal, and that can react with dishwasher detergents and just get some, some corrosion on from the reaction. It's not ruined if it does happen. You can just kind of scrub it to get that corrosion off, and it might not be as shiny. So if it ended up in the dishwasher, don't throw it out. It's not ruined. Just scrub off the corrosion and hand wash it the next time. So that is that. And then you also got this great one-piece pour shield, and this has 3 tabs on it. So it's not going to lock onto the bowl. It just sets onto the bowl. So you just want to put the U shape with the opening facing the back of your unit and put the tabs on the outside of the bowl, and it just sets there freely. So I only use this at low speeds when I would be adding in my dry ingredients. If I turn up to a much higher speed, I tend to take this off and then just go ahead with my mixing. And don't forget, in the front of your mixer here, that's your power hub. And that has this great hinged cover, so you're never going to lose your power hub cover. And into there you can plug in over 12 different attachments that are really going to just help you get the most out of your investment of your KitchenAid stand mixer. So, and over here are where you turn on the 10 different speeds. So you have 0, stir, which is the lowest speed, and then it counts by even numbers. But there's actually a little notch in between. So you do have 10 distinct speeds. And remember, you have that slow start, which is great. So it's going to start off slowly and increase in speed gradually. And you also have an electronic sensor sensor, which is going to give more power when it's needed. So send me questions if you have them, and I hope you enjoy your new KitchenAid Pro 600 mixer. I know I love mine. So happy baking and cooking, everyone, and see you soon.